们好，我是Chunyan. Hello, this is the Chinese language instructor Chunyan. Welcome to Mandarin for Classroom. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about 3 vowels. 一, u, yu. I'm going to explain 4 spelling rules about these 3 vowels. First one, yi and u form syllables alone. Second one, beginning with yi. Third one, beginning with u. Fourth one, ji, qi, xi, yi, put before yu. I'm going to explain these rules one by one. Let's get started. First one, when yi and u form syllables by itself. For example, when yi forms syllable by itself, it's written like yi. The pronunciation like English letter E. 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 When u forms a syllable by itself, it's written like u. U. Sounds like English word two. U. U. Second rule, beginning with E. When E is at the beginning of syllable, it's written as E. For example, I is ya, ya. I is yao, yao. An is yan, yan. Ang is yang, yang. Is ye, ye. O is yo, yo. En is in, in. In is in, in. The third rule is beginning with u. When u is at the beginning of syllables, it's written as u. For example, is wa, wa. I is y, y. An is one, one. Ang is wang, wang. A is wei, wei. N is wen, wen. O is wo, wo. Now let's talk about the 4th spelling rule, yu. Firstly, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce yu. When you pronounce yu, you close your mouth, you make a small circle, just like whistles. You see, you close your mouth, and then you produce the sound. Now let's talk about spelling rules about yu. When 鸡七西一 Put before yu. The two dots are dropped. For example, 鸡 yu is 居居七 yu is 区区西 yu is 虚虚一 yu is 吁吁鸡约 is 撅撅七约 is 缺缺西约 is 削削一约 is 约约 If you want to learn more about the pinyin and the tones and how to pronounce the initial and the finals, please check this playlist. Thank you very much for learning Chinese with me. I hope you can learn something from this video. Particularly, I want to give thanks to the people and the students leave your question and comment. It really encouraged me a lot, so we can work together and do our best. Okay, please leave your question and comment. I will see you again next time. 再见。